Hi friends! Today video about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wait.
Samsung recently unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4, their newest versions of foldable devices. Brand new accessories like the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and Galaxy Watch 5 are available to go along with these new devices. You might feel a bit let down if you were anticipating significant improvements, as we saw with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 devices. Iterative upgrades, the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 feature significantly modified designs, improved cameras, and a cutting-edge CPU. Samsung claims that the new Fold's flagship caliber cameras, a more powerful SoC, and a lighter body are its primary selling points. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 now supports nightography, which is the company's marketing lingo for better low-light photographs and videos. Samsung has used camera hardware from the Galaxy S22 series. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 features a 50-megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization (OIS), and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and up to 30x digital magnification, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The selfie cameras do not appear to have been tampered with. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a few tweaks, but the inner and outer screens are the same size as on the previous model. The outside display is now covered by Corning Gorilla Victus Plus and offers an adaptive refresh rate of 48 Hz to 120 Hz. The inside foldable display has a more energy-efficient refresh rate range of 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The metal frame is flatter this time, and all of the ports and buttons are in their customary locations. It's also rumored to have somewhat smaller overall dimensions than the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but this is impossible to tell without holding the two smartphones side by side. The hinge feels strong and can be opened at various angles depending on how you want to use the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is available in 3 different configurations: 12GB RAM with 256GB storage, 12GB RAM with 512GB storage, and its highest configuration, 12GB RAM with 1TB storage. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a starting price of $1,799 US. The colors grey, green, beige, and phantom black are all offered for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The device is furthermore offered in burgundy, but exclusively on Samsung.com. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 comes in 3 different configurations: 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, and 8GB RAM plus 512GB storage. It may be purchased for $999 US. The clamshell foldable phone is powered by an 8GB octa-core 4nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. The dual rear camera of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 has a 12MP ultra-wide primary sensor with an f/2.2 lens and 123 degrees of view, as well as a 12MP wide-angle camera with optical image stabilization functionality. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be available in the United States, the United Kingdom, the rest of Europe, India, and other key regions where Samsung sells its smartphones. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head.